So yeah, I finally tried cloning my own voice using ElevenLabs, and honestly, the results were way more realistic than I expected. At first, I thought it would sound robotic or awkward like older text-to-speech tools, but after uploading a clean voice sample and generating the clone, it genuinely sounded like me. Not kind of similar, but actually me. The pauses, breathing, tone shifts, even the small speaking habits. Somehow it copied all of that. That's the part that feels crazy when you hear it for the first time. The setup process was surprisingly simple too, as what you have to do when you uh, enter into your dashboard. When you get into your dashboard, then you will find this option. When you scroll down, you will find here this option, clone your voice. Click on it, and simply here we find this three or four option, I guess. And this option is for generating entirely new voice from the text prompt, and this is instant voice clone, which is the beneficial for us. Clone your voice with only 10 seconds of voice, or you can say audio. So what you have to do is click on this, and here you have to record your voice. Suppose I'm recording my own voice here just to show you. Let me enable my microphone. One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing something honestly kind of crazy, AI voice cloning. I uploaded a few samples of my real voice, and within minutes, the AI created a digital version of me that can say almost anything. The scary part, it sounds incredibly realistic. So in this video, I'm going to test how accurate it really is, where it works well, where it fails, and whether AI voices are actually ready to replace real recordings in 2026. Let's see how it works. So here you can see I just recorded my 30-second voice, and let's see how it works. So here you can see that this is the recorded voice ready, and you have to click here on next. Now once you click on next, let's see what they ask us to do. As you can see, this is the first step. As my I'm generating my own clone, so I'm typing my name here as Amit, and here language, label language already English. You can also add another label here, and in the description you can type anything whatever you want to add, and click here to confirm, and then say voice. uh Unfortunately guys, it is not free, so that I can't show you this, but this way you can actually start cloning your voice on ElevenLabs. So once you get your plan, you click here say voice. Your voice will be ready in second. Uh, Now, obviously, it is not perfect. Sometimes the emotion feels slightly off. Certain words sound too smooth or too dramatic. And if your original audio quality is not clean, the clone quality drops fast too. I also notice longer paragraphs can sometimes drift a little. Like the clone voice starts sounding less unnatural halfway through. It's good, but you can still tell AI is doing the work in some situation. Another thing people sound should know, your input audio matters a lot. If you record in a noisy room with the echo or background sounds, the clone won't sound nearly as good. But if you use a decent mic and clear speech, the results become scary realistic. Now let's talk about the biggest question everyone asks. Can people tell it is fake? Honestly, most casual listeners probably can't anymore, especially for short form content. YouTube narration, faceless videos, ads, or intros. The average person will usually assume it is a real recording. That's why AI voice cloning is exploding so fast in the content creation. Creators are using it for podcasts, audiobooks, multilingual dubbing, short customer support, and even entire faceless YouTube channels. But there is also weird side to this technology. The better it gets, the more dangerous it becomes. Because if I can clone my own voice this accurately, imagine what happens when people start cloning celebrities, public figures, or even family members without permission. That's why platforms like ElevenLabs added simply system verified steps and moderation tools to prevent abuse. Still, the technology itself is honestly mind blowing. My final option or final opinion is, if you are a creator, podcaster, YouTuber, or someone making content regularly, ElevenLabs is one of the most impressive AI tools available right now. It saves time, it sounds incredibly realistic, and it genuinely feels like the future of digital content. But at the same time, it also feels like we are entering a world where hearing a voice online may no longer prove a real person actually said it. And that's both exciting and a little terrifying. So yeah, that's the video about voice cloning in ElevenLabs. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.